For an example of on-tool extraction, we've come along to McCloskeys International to see firsthand how welding fume extraction works when a welder is working on different types and sizes of welds. Appropriate training must be provided to the workforce when any new equipment is introduced into the workplace. On-tool extraction provides the welder with increased protection and has no detrimental effect on the quality of the welds. On-tool extraction tips come in different sizes for different applications and can be air-cooled or water-cooled. The welder can control the flow of air by an adjustment on the welding torch. By reducing the suction, this helps prevent splatter off the weld in the corners. The principle of LEV is to remove contaminants from the air, preventing them from being inhaled by workers. McCloskeys International's management team worked with designers, suppliers, installers and employees when designing the system. In this particular example, contaminants are drawn into the system via on-torch extraction. Without LEV, the fumes flow freely around the welder. With LEV in operation, the fumes are extracted safely into the ducting. Ducting is available in different sizes, and it should be positioned correctly to ensure the flow within the ducting itself is efficient. Contaminants are then safely transported to a discharge point. This efficient system removes a significant amount of contaminants that otherwise may have been inhaled. An occupational hygiene air monitoring survey designed to measure welders' exposure to welding fume can confirm the effectiveness of controls and determine if RPE is required. We're grateful to McCloskeys International for their help in producing this video. Our thanks go to them and to their staff.